Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video, we got a tubular lock that you find in self-storage places. And I took this off of a unit when somebody was moving out, so I was able to keep the lock. And now we're going to make a key to it using one of the Goso cheap Chinese tubular lock impression tools and the Black Widow key machine to actually cut the key. And so this is 7.8 millimeter lock, which is common in the United States. And I've got other size picks to open these locks. This is the only size I can actually make a key to though. And to do this here, we're going to go ahead and just loosen the collar. And we'll just tighten it back a little bit here so there's some tension on it. Orient it correctly in the lock here. And then just going to wiggle back and forth. And if we don't get it right away, then we'll just reset it and start over. Yeah, look at that. There we go. Got it turned over. Go ahead and turn it back so the key can go in. And we'll take it out. And if we notice on the tool here, we got our needles all lifted up a little bit here. So now I'm going to go ahead and just lock the collar down. And that is essentially making this now a key. And then the next step is going to be to decode it. And then we'll cut a key here. So I'm going to go ahead and just adjust the camera away from the lock for 1 second here. And we're going to go ahead and look at our tablet. And on our Black Widow key machine, we're going to choose Tubular. And we'll just go with Chicago. And I'm going to input. It shows us a picture of the key. And the way we're going to actually decode this. Got our A1 tool here that they don't make anymore, but you can actually 3D print. I bought this, I don't know, 12 or 13 years ago. And we're going to start with this pin here. And we're going to go ahead and just go around and measure all the positions here. So on the first one, I can kind of eyeball these. I've done enough of them in my life here. So we got a 3, 2, 6, 5. 3, 2, 6, 5. Just entering in the cuts here. And then we look here. These right here are clearly 1, 1. And then the last one is going to be either a 6 or a 7. Is indeed a 7. So go ahead and enter all the cuts in here. And now we'll head over to the key machine itself. There's our tubular jaw, the S3 jaw. Take our brass key blank, the 1137B. And we'll put it in our Black Widow here. Alright, key blank's in there. Back over to the tablet, just going to press OK. And then we're going to hit cut. Cut, it's telling us to use 2 millimeter cutter. And now the machine will work its magic here, and then we'll test it out. Alright, cut our key. Let me just grab the lock out of the vise here. And grab our key. And so there's our cut key right here. And test it out. And key works beautifully. So there is a key made to a storage lock using the the impressioning tool and the Black Widow. And just in case somebody's looking at this that's not real familiar with locks, now since this thing is actually locked down, this is also actually a key. That's one of the problems with these kind of locks. as I get this thing lined up correctly. And this is actually still a key as well, but of course always better to have an actual key. So perfect. So really, I guess I'm just babbling now. If you guys have any questions or comments, you can put them in the comments. And until next time, we will talk to everybody later.